Hey, let me answer to this feedback comment from one of a new viewer to my this system.io video. So how to use actually in my understanding would be it's actually a broad question. So it's not just a short video can simply just describe it to you. So before the how, perhaps I can help you out with showing you what do you have, right? So that you can actually decide which how you should start learning how to use. And what is even more important than the what and the how would be the why do you want to even choose such a platform called system.io, right? So if you stay to the end, probably I have some suggestion for you, right? And for your kind consideration. So let me flip the camera over and show you on my laptop live here. And then what are you getting? What are the features on such a comprehensive and very, very affordable for beginners when you pivot onto the digital space, right? To actually set up your own, most important, your own digital business ecosystem by using system.io. So here we go. Right, first up will be the dashboard, as you can see, and so it will summarize for you, your leads, right? You have collected, right? And also the sales from your own products that you have hosted using the system.io. So let's jump into this. What is the most important? That's why it's placed right in front here, right? Which is your any business digital asset, which is your CRM, your customer relationship management. Yeah. So let's go inside there, right? So this is provided for you, right? Okay, whether is it the free version or the paid version, right? You are already given this CRM feature for you to manage, right? Something that you own and you control, unlike the social media followers, right? So this is the CRM, right? And so amongst the CRM, you can actually tag, right? Right, given tags to all your leads, right? Your customer database, right? So that you can help you to segment them out to customize products and services just for that targeted group, right? So I will not go too much into detail because that will take more than an hour, in fact, right? It's like a training already. So next up would be what will interest you would be the ability for you to build your sales funnel, your leads generation funnel, which over here I have my leads generation funnel, right? Okay, I can show you right here. And there you are. Okay, this is my leads generation, right? Whereby I collect the potential customer contact information by giving them a freebie. So, okay, and right, so I can go on to upsell them my playbook, right? That's how I structure my leads generation funnel. It's just not any ordinary leads generation. Okay, and there you have it. Next, right? I also set up my digital store over there, right? Over there, right? It's just the, like what you saw on, things like Stand Store or Link Tree, earlier than, Stand Store is the Link Tree, right? So this is this is exactly how it will appear on your smartphone. This is like your digital, your own online store you can set up, right? Okay, with just one course. I like Link Tree. You cannot build funnel with a Link Tree or Stand Store, but over at system.io, you can build funnel, you can set up your own digital store. Okay, let's go back there again. You can, if you are somebody that can, enjoy providing content by setting up blogs, right? You can also do that, right? You can also do that, right? Okay. So this is an example. I'm not really a blogger, so I do, but nonetheless, system.io with the same cost, same subscription, they provide this for you as well. Then next up is the what? Email marketing, right? That's given, right? Email marketing. So this is my newsletter database, right? Which I send out to all my these leads on a regular basis, very frequently, right? To nurture my leads. So email marketing is given, right? As you can see here, right? Email marketing. Right, of course, you can set up automation in your email marketing, which is like a campaign, right? So when somebody bought my one of my digital product, they will come inside here, they will receive a series of my uh, you know emails from me, right, to guide them through in using my digital services, right, hosted on the system.io as well, right? Okay, So next up would be, right, you can promote your own your physical products. Earlier on, I talked about the digital products, right? But now you can actually create and put your own physical products, right? To be hosted on the system.io to actually promote and sell it, to market it, right? So they also provide you that, and discount coupons. If you would like to give discount, you can also set it up. And next up, then this is what I'm going big about with my marketing effort, would be my own, right? My own mentorship, my own education, right? It's a membership form, right? Over here, which is my digital marketing ecosystem, which is on a monthly basis at a very, very affordable subscription price, right? Okay. And it's only at 27. My ongoing tech support for anyone that wants to pivot, right? To want to learn how to set up their own digital business ecosystem. So I give them the basic, right? Building landing pages, chatbots, that is AI powered. Of course, the email marketing, you can use system.io for your email marketing. And then the content creation by using the AI platform. How do you write the prompts, right? Right, master prompt, system prompt, and custom prompt. And the bonus part would be how to use the Canva app to create mass amount of content and schedule out in the automated way to publish it on all your social media platform, right? Then next up, you can also set up your private, community, either the free version or the paid version, right? Just like, the very established brand like Teachable, School, Udemy, right? Over here, you can actually set it up, right? You don't have to pay for another platform. System.io provided for you, right? Okay. And of course, everything you can monitor, right? All your orders, all your transactions and stuff like that. Okay. Right. You can see, right? It's loading, right? But nonetheless, you get the idea. And you are also entitled, right, to be an affiliate with the platform. That means on top of paying and becoming a paid subscriber using system.io, you can also participate in their affiliate program, whereby you can make commission just like me promoting about system.io, right? Okay, very, very comprehensive, as I said that in the beginning. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you actually learn something from this video response to your comments. Thank you for leaving your comments so that I can generate this kind of content for you and for the others to learn something about the system.io. Right, should you have any further question or you want to understand more of how to be a subscriber to my tech support and mentorship membership hub, right? Comment below this video, tech support, and I will follow up with you. Thank you.